Today we are going to talk about the properties and uses of processed non-metals. Before we start, we need to know a few words. The first one is durable. Durable means lasts a long time and does not wear out easily. The other one is waterproof, does not allow water to pass through it. The next one is fire resistant, does not catch a light easily. And the next one is texture. Texture is the way something feels, whether it is rough or smooth. Properties and uses. We use materials to make things. All the things we use at home, at school, and in our communities are made from materials: concrete, fabric, glass, and plastic are examples of materials. Materials look and feel different because they have different properties. Each material has its own properties. Here are some examples of everyday materials and their properties. A protective plaster of Paris cast. A paving slab is made from hard, strong concrete. Shirt is made of soft fabric. This paint will make a house look colorful and will protect the walls. All the materials in the picture have different properties. The fabric is soft, but the concrete is hard. The plaster of Paris is tough, but it is light. It will not get damaged easily when the boy plays with his friends, and will protect him when he plays with his friends and will protect his broken arm. The paint is colorful and it will make the house look good and will protect the walls. Some processed materials are useful because they have special properties. They can be strong, durable, waterproof, fire resistant, and have interesting colors or textures. For example, firefighters' clothes are made of processed material that is fire resistant. If he goes into a fire, his clothes will not catch a light easily and will protect him. A plastic cold drink bottle is light and waterproof. A glass jug and glass are both waterproof. This means that water cannot come out of the material. Other materials are made to last for a very long time. They are durable. The most durable materials are usually natural, like rock or metals, like copper. Some processed materials are very durable, such as vinyl, which is ideal for floor covering. Here you see the firefighters' clothes are made of fire-resistant material. Cold drink bottles are made of plastic. Glass is waterproof and vinyl is durable. Those are their different properties. Properties and uses of non-metal materials. You learned about the useful properties of metals in the previous video. All the materials shown on page 89 and 90 are non-metals. People use non-metal materials for different purposes depending on their properties. For example, you need a bottle to take your cold drink to school in. Plastic is a good material for your cold drink bottle as it is waterproof and does not break easily. It is therefore a good material to use for this purpose. When we make something, We must choose the right material. In topic 8, we learned that people process materials to get the properties that they want. We make paving slabs from concrete, which people have processed. Concrete has the properties of being hard, durable, and strong. We need these properties when we make pavements or roads. When a material looks like it's often important too, what a material looks like is often important too. Concrete can have interesting textures. The picture below shows a textured concrete floor. There's a textured concrete floor. Okay, let us do this activity together. Identify and explain the properties that make materials useful. Look at the pictures below. Write the number of each picture in your workbook and then choose the words from the word box that describes the property or properties of each material. Write a sentence to explain why the properties of the material suit the purpose that the object is used for. So let us start. Okay, a concrete block. If you look at the box there, the best word to use for a concrete block would be strong. A woolen blanket. Say textured. A plastic garbage bin. Durable. An umbrella. Waterproof. Glass beads. Brightly colored. A clay cooking pot. Fire resistant. You could even use the word heat resistant. Useful properties of non-metal materials. When an object such as a house or a car is made, the designer has to carefully choose the material that the object is made from. He will choose a material because of its properties. The properties of the material are what make the object useful to us. The properties that the designer will think about is how hard or soft the material is, how flexible or stiff the material is, and how tough the material is. What the material looks like is also important. Let's look at the examples here. Look at the examples of the objects made from the wrong materials. A chair made of glass, a window made from paper, a mattress made from concrete, a door made from cake. Match the properties with the material. Look carefully at the pictures above. Write down what the problem is with the material that has been used. To make each of the objects, think about the properties of each material that was used and the job that it has to do. Suggest a more suitable material. Support your answer with reasons. Let's go back there. Okay. A glass chair. Now, first of all, if glass breaks, it can cut you. So it is not suitable to make a chair with glass. What would be better? A wooden chair or an aluminium chair or a plastic chair? Then, a window, that means a window pane made of paper. The purpose of a window pane is to allow you to look outside, and it is waterproof. Paper doesn't allow you to look outside, and nor is it waterproof, so it is the wrong material to make a window pane. Then, a mattress made from concrete. Concrete is hard. Then it would be like sleeping on the floor. So, a mattress should be made with something soft, of fabric or a sponge. A door made of cake. A dough made of cake is impossible to think about because it will attract insects, it will not be sturdy, and it will not be safe. You rather make a dough with wood or with aluminium or with metal. Choosing the correct material for the correct object is very, very important. Therefore, we need to think before we make something. Properties of materials allow the material to do certain things that we need. Therefore, we need to choose our material very, very carefully.